Hi, my name is Chaim Zion, and I've been in the market for the last 2 years. I've tried everything: stocks, forex, day trading, swings, and I wasn't positive. In the last 6 months, I'm doing future contract with Geva Trade. I must say it's better. It's even easier. I have discipline, I have game plan, I know exactly what to do, exactly what not to do. Geva give me a lot of confidence and my account become positive. I really recommend and I'm very happy with the results. I can afford to myself lifestyle like this and I hope good success for everybody.